What is going on, guys? It is Tuesday the 24th of 2022. We're back here at the shop. Ben is finishing up the Mini Bike Syndicate's build as we speak. Steve is currently putting together some frames. We got some parts and pieces put together. He's gonna be doing some final assembly, some final welding on a few of the frames that are gonna be getting shipped out here soon. So there's a lot of stuff going on today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. What's going on, Steve?
What's going on? Building frames, dude.
Building frames, jeez.
What did you do? Bring everybody breakfast sandwiches.
Oh, if you want ground turkey and rice.
Oh, getting back on your bullshit.
Yeah, ghost.
You know, nothing but the best. He's just getting a roller, but...
Oh, that's right, that's true. It's a fresh 16 ounces.
You gonna go put pot on?
You don't got pot on? See, now I just don't know. If it's lies, if it's trying to get something out of me for the camera. This one looks like it's pretty much wrapped up. Yeah, it looks good to me. Send her off. See, I'm just not...
Backup double redundancy.
I'm just not used to loyal people.
This guy's been here 9 years. 9 years.
9 years of mini bike manufacturing.
9 years, man.
So we have a huge announcement. We're doing a giveaway, a Trike giveaway. We're gonna be building a full unit, documenting it all here on YouTube. We're gonna be leaving it up to the people what we're gonna do, wheel color, powder coat color, any type of accessories you guys think you wanna see. So here's the details. Go over to tgvshop.com. Every piece of merch that you buy is gonna be 10 entries. But until noon tomorrow, May 26, 2022, at noon Eastern Standard Time, it's gonna be double entries. Double entries. After that, it's gonna be single entries. So you're gonna get 20 up till noon tomorrow for every piece of merch you buy. So go head over to the website, pick up some merch, and get entered to win your very own mini trike.
And I'll tell you what, as of right now, your chances are really high.
Yeah.
Because there's not very many people entered.
Yeah, not very many people entered, so your chances are through the freaking roof right now. Oh, real funny, guys. Oh, there's no coffee over. See, that's why I can't. You know what? If Steve told me I didn't put one on, I go, oh, okay, I'll go put one on. Steve doesn't lie to me. You know, I like to start my day off with some coffee, but every once in a while, a nice fresh glass of water will do just as well.
I noticed that, but apparently 323,000 other people didn't.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure they would have said something. We got pre-cut key stock coming in today too, so that's gonna be a big.
Oh, so you're not gonna be using that thing every time I try. Every time I try talking.
It's a shop. You're gonna have shop sounds in a shop. Don't put this on the camera. So,
Aside from the racing thing, like just to have,
have fun.
to go ride.
All for 20 bucks.
For 20 bucks. You go wrong.
Ben's got a quad.
you know how expensive a hospital bill is compared to 20 bucks?
I like how it's like either don't put this on the video or fire the camera.
Huge news, man. Guess what I just ordered up last night? Cliff Bar subscription. They send me Cliff Bars every month. I'm pumped. Get more frames built that way, man.
Dang.
The banana chocolate ones.
Ooh.
Those are really good. Oh, you know, you got enough mixing with your two-stroke that you got to do that, you know, there's one less thing.
You need a little elf hat on when you're using that tiny hammer.
Always keep your fingers as close as you can to the sandpaper. Be a man.
That must have been it.
Out my office! Talking to the UPS guy with that freaking get-up on.
Hey man, I'm the track manager. I gotta wear this get-up all the time, keeping it real, man, for the people. You're welcome.
And those are lightweight.
Why haven't we been using those forever?
Oh, you looking for a fresh pot?
Oh, I'm freaking looking for a warm-up.
Yeah, what's the problem? Damn! I'm gonna check and see if those fit.
What do you got there, Ben?
It's a shop, man. I got this, I guess I can't even really say, but I could show you what I got. I can't tell you what it's for, but
Nice.
Here's a 1-inch to 1-inch coupler, so we'll be able to
What's that for?
clamp that down on that machine over there.
Yeah.
And then now,
Won't get stuck.
Yeah, so like this will literally be able to fit right in and out of
I
there.
don't know if you guys are getting low on the actual
Ooh.
coffee itself.
O'Neill's.
Yeah.
Did you catch the episode last night? Did you see the thumbnail? I go, Ben, is this too much? And he goes, I think it's just right.
Me and the
Teletubbies. Oh my god.
Do you see the little groundhog poking through the weeds? Look at me, this little head head's poking through the weeds.
A trained eye asks,
We're-
anytime you think, is it too much? Go 50%, 100% more than that.
Sheesh.
Damn.
Sheesh.
These are magical to look through, I tell you.
They really are.
Yeah, they are.
You do that thing like you did with yours when he puts his down.
I'm currently at Lowe's. We need to get a little bit more organized in the shop. We got a bunch of parts and pieces that came in and we need to get, like I said, organized. So I'm gonna be picking up some totes. We're gonna get all of our products to be able to do these builds in the totes so we can just go pick from them and it's gonna make it super easy. 27 gallons is what we need. 10 totes.
He's been working a deal with Electric Monkey. So apparently they're a Red Bull competitor. Sending us a bunch of freaking cases of energy drinks.
What?
Yeah, Electric Monkey. So Steve's switching from Mountain Dew to Electric Monkey.
How?
You better take it easy on those zooms. Steve didn't think this was going to do anything. He had me convinced it wasn't either. I'll give you a little preview here.
Oh yeah. That's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. It sounds like a quad.
That's what Steve said.
It literally sounds just like your quad. That's honestly insane how quiet that is. Have you heard it go?
Oh yeah. Power-wise, it didn't really do anything different. Quiet and
like tame it is.
yeah. Put her away. Put her away. I don't know. We'll have to get it on our dyno and see.
Dude, we should make a little freaking knockoff dyno with just some rollers.
It's all in your head, dude.
It sounds so good though when you're like down there, like in the yard.
Yeah.
We have to really get back to work. This thing's about ready to go. Cut a couple zip ties. I gotta put some rubber under the fuel tank, wheelie bars, button up the front end, pretty much send on down the road.
Hey, thanks, Steve. So Ben just informed me that we got a sponsorship from somebody.
Yeah, the Electrical Monkey. Mind-blowing taste, made in the USA. Get electrified.
You're gonna have to say that every video now.
Drink is a boost or a mixer. Mountain Dew. You had your opportunity.
How's everything else been coming, Steve?
Got a bunch of parts ready to make some frames.
But you guys won't catch me on the forums over there. I get too wound up. That's why I'll be over here building frames.
Be on the watch out for Ben's burner account.
Yeah!
Didn't see you there.
Like your guys' favorite line. Oh, didn't see you there. Oh, we're getting the Mini Bike Syndicate set up with some nice TGV Racing stickers.
Did he sign off on that?
I signed off on it. Yeah, come with me over to the sticker sticking station.
That concentration.
Someone's got to be concentrated around here. We got a lot of work to do.
I have heard that. We do have a lot of work.
They're gonna say I do have a lot of work to do. Now this is the third one of these that I've done, and I'm trying to perfect how I do this.
I'm just waiting for anybody to ask why we just have stacks of hundos down there.
You know, one of these gets thrown in with every order. We need one of those little spinny boys, so it's like, so I just drop it. Yeah, I'm the sticker guy around here apparently. Man, you just fingered that thing.
What do you want me to grab it with?
A lot of work.
A lot of work, man.
Got this thing all wrapped up, ready to send off to its new owner.
So this thing could rip right now if you wanted to.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's go.
You and that rag.
How's she feel?
Yeah, definitely. Like it feels like you're like really secure in here.
Yeah.
Like you're like it definitely. I'm definitely like fully extended though. Like my normal riding position on this thing's like this.
Yeah. This one's probably gonna be more of a wheelie machine.
I definitely just feel like I'm like like aped out.
Yeah.
We need some like these.
Highway boys.
Okay, wrap it up.
Alright, that's a wrap.
Okay.